Oh, that is weird. He can slow down time too, and I'm giving speech the whole time like this. Very annoying. Harvey Hint sounded like Jimmy Stewart. There was a lot more people than just Jimmy Stewart in that film, but it doesn't matter because Val figured it out. Although he did forget the exclamation point. That is part of the title. Zots, everybody. Zots. See, now you're all, oh, Zots. Oh my god, they are really doing this slow-mo thing. Oof. Having the power to kill or slow down is weird. So it's got what's his name? John Poston, the guy who was the caretaker on the '80s Bob Newhart TV show. That's probably where he's best known from. And there is the head of the sanitarium from Harvey, and Thurston Howell III is in this film. So yes, Thurston Hotel the Third. All right, let me get a little black. So yeah, actually, I came across this book Saturday, and I was like, "Oh, it's nuts! I've heard of that film before." Because I went looking for this film one time, and like I said, I couldn't find it. I would have had to buy it on DVD. And this is like the only time this one actor has like been the main character. He's like the Dick Miller of his time. Actually, Dick Miller was around at this time. But yeah, the book is Guy gets superpowers and he tries to help America during the war.